good afternoon. Welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Beautiful low mileage, rhodium silver, barley leather Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel, premium luxury. 44,000 miles, cam belt replaced at 40,000 miles. Got a service history with 4 services. 44,000 miles, cam belt at 40. We can see that it has front park sensors, daytime LED running lights, headlamp washers. Freshly refurbished alloy wheels, they are immaculate, rhodium silver metallic, barley leather, reverse camera, rear park sensors. I'll just show you those wheels. Immaculate, premium tyres too. Immaculate wheel. Front of the car, no stone chips or anything. It is lovely. Keyless entry, tell by the little rubber squares on the door handles. Beautiful, super clean, fitted barley mats. Premium luxury, nice leather steering wheel, multifunction paddle change, electric steering column, DAB radio, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, reverse camera, heated seats, electronic handbrake. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In the back, super clean, lovely colour scheme this. This will have through load facility as well, I would think, as it's a premium luxury. Yeah, so little yellow handles up under there. You can fold down the back seat, 60-40 split, lovely and clean in there, for through load capability for long lengths. This side, equally lovely. Can't see any dents or scratches. Freshly refurbished alloy wheel with a good tyre. Yeah. Another lovely alloy wheel. So the price of this car, 44,000 miles, for 2014 64 reg, latter registered, latter part of 2014, £9,795. 44,276 miles on the clock. No wear on the leather seat. Last serviced in May, MOT'd until May 26. With a freshish cam belt and water pump. £9,795. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. All our cars are on there. There'll be lots of Jaguar XFs. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be loads of Jaguar XFs. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will get a little notification, be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.